The adventure started in 1953 with my father Costantino. Unfortunately, he died out in 1979 when only 54. And me and my brother were so projecting into the third industrial revolution. Now we have the great privilege to surf on Industry 4.0 big waves. The vision was to create a community of people with a strong culture focused on innovation and for the well-being of our great parterre of stakeholders. Well, the mission is now identified in a plurality of business units or company division, which leaders can better illustrate.
CDS designs and manufactures mechanical cam system for the world market. We transform a continuous rotary input motion to an output rotary motion with a stationary dwell in built-in period, whilst the input remains constant, rotary constant. Our main products are rotary tables, servo drive and positioners tables, servo pick and place, parallel shaft indexers, mechanical servo pick and places, high precision linear conveyors, automatic tool changers and pallet changers. We produce units from 50 millimeters up to 4 meters and can hold masses from few kilos up to 10 tons. The components produced by CDS cover also requirements of process automation, especially they are for assembly, inspection, filling, welding, and so on. More than 50% of our products are exported to worldwide countries as Germany, France, and Spain, and also the rest of Europe. We also supply America, especially USA and Canada, and our target market in Asia are China and India. We follow directly that market with our subsidiaries, whilst the other countries are managed through our agents or distributors in order to provide the best solution and also the best quality of service to our customers. Our products can be equipped with ACAM solutions that permits diagnostic, and the diagnostic can be sent to customer application and managed accordingly. Of course, we are continuously improving that product, the solution.
Our company needed the powerful and flexible CAD software to develop complex 3D models with thousands of parts and have a full control to our projects using the most modern design technologies. We found the solution of our problems in PTC software, Creo Parametric and Windchill. A team of highly specialized people of technical departments use Creo Parametric to manage assemblies, parts, drawings, sheet metals, bill of material, static and dynamic simulations. The simulation integrated in the CAD environment is very important because we can simulate a 3D model, then modify it if necessary, and then simulate it again and see the results immediately. We use Windchill to check all projects and share CAD data or other files with all company departments to optimize information flow. With PTC solution, we can check the design, reduce error and time to market. In the assembly area, we use touchscreen monitors, and with Creo View software connected to Windchill, we can see the updated 3D models and perform assembly operation without paper drawings. Parametric Design is our technology advisor who has followed us in our growth since the beginning. Soon, we want to develop augmented and virtual reality applications to improve the design qualification, assembly operation, and logistics. With Parametric Design, we want to cooperate to investigate the opportunities of IoT technologies and also the topology optimization and generative design for additive manufacturing.